Okie doke, Helen. Let me just check. Yeah, I think my audio is coming through. So, I've been thinking about the notices and how it could work. And I think I've got this way that could work easily for us. So, when the notices play, or when we have a particular song, I've got this like theme tune set up. When this plays, the PowerPoint is overlaid as a layer in multi-view, and the PowerPoint plays. The PowerPoint is on a loop. It's set to, oh, let me just change this display one. There's my mouse. It's so this is the audio is on multi-view with the notices set to layer 1, and it's on this big full view. And the PowerPoint itself is on loop, and if you right click, and it's set to a 5-second transition between slides, so 5 seconds on each side. Because the audio track is I think 2 minutes 12 seconds long, divide 2 minutes 12, we get 26 point something. So we could have 26 slides at 5 seconds, or 13 slides at 10 seconds with this music. And so I'll see if it'll show you how it works. You would run this, and it automatically plays the music, it transitions between the slides, and that's how I think it's going to work for us. Now, another thing I've figured out to make things easier if we're doing that is for our welcome music, we've got the list here. We could strip out some of these little in-between bits, maybe only have two or three songs still, depending on how long they are. But if we've got 8 minutes worth, so maybe 2 4-minute songs, about 8 minutes worth of songs there, and 2 minutes on the Eternal Garden song with notices playing, then that's about 10 minutes before the service starts. But what we got with it to make it a bit more automated is if we go in the settings, we can look at triggers, and now when the list, this song list, gets to the last thing playing, it's on completion of it, it will automatically play the song that will play the notices for us, and then on completion of this, the trigger on completion, this will go automatically to the camera. I mean, we don't have to have that set. We could leave it so it holds on the last thing, and we're like, oh, we've got a moment. But it might look a bit slicker if it goes straight away to the camera. So I'll show you how it's all set up. I've just got the display capture and then the audio microphone from the laptop here. So you will be, I'll just close these, close input notices, yes, close Eternal Garden, yes. So you'd be adding the PowerPoint. I think we're best keeping it in my documents in this folder structure that you can see here. So we add that, the PowerPoint. We add our audio, which is in songs, it's called Eternal Garden. That's the music that we have playing. So then we go and we set up the multi-view so that on that song, when that plays, it's going to have the notices doing it automatically. The notices are looped, and we'll pick 5 seconds. So, and then on completion of this, the trigger, on completion, it's going to fade to the camera. and therefore this, the trigger on completion, we want it to go to notices, not notices, we want it to do the Eternal Garden one. So add that, get rid of that one, it's not working now. So that's set up as it was before. It's a little bit fiddly for some people maybe, so that's why I'm suggesting we keep things, you know, the same song and the same thing each week. So therefore, if you just reusing the vMix and swapping other aspects out from it, then oh, you can see that. Then all you'd be doing is going into My Doctrines vMix services, notices, and pasting over, you know, just replacing this PowerPoint with exactly the same name, so that each week when we open up vMix, it calls for the same PowerPoint here, and we don't have to change any of the settings in the background for it. So it means that when it automatically plays that, it goes to play that automatically, which has got the notices playing automatically in the background, and then it automatically goes to the camera. So learning a little bit more about this song, it wasn't labelled clearly on the internet. It doesn't use the same language that I was thinking, which is why I was thinking it wasn't possible, but I wasn't aware that it was possible before that point. But yeah, that's that. I hope that helps you.